My granddaughter Georgia is a good girl. She taken me through all my appointments. For say thank you, I make a cake. Today, Georgia, you make my carrot cake.
Awesome, let's do it.
Yeah? Okay, you start?
All right, what do I got to do?
Oh, you need to put a little bit oil in here. Come on.
We're going to spread that around with the brush.
Round and round. Now, put all. And you know the girl.
Nanna, there's more flour on you than there is in the tin.
But see you fall. I start grating the carrots.
Okay.
You chop it to the nuts.
Perfect. Do you want me to grate the apples when you're done with the carrots?
When I finish this one.
Okay. How am I doing? Nanna, I'm scared of the grater.
All right, I do it.
Do you want to do it?
I do naughty girl, George.
Nanna, why do you put apple in a carrot cake?
For the cake, it tastes better.
But it's carrot cake.
Doesn't matter.
have
Oh,
this
George. No, I don't need it massaging in my hair. Come on. Yeah.
Why do I need to squeeze the juice
Do
out?
you need it to make liquid? Georgia. Stop. Oh, Georgia, I wash your face now. Grated the lemon.
Nanna, what are you eating?
Nuts.
Nuts.
This.
Thank you.
Now, you make the juice. How? Yeah, quick. The sugar in here. My God, George. Put it all. Georgia, you pour the egg replaced in here.
Yep.
Put the water.
Yep.
Whisk. Not too hard.
So Nanna, is this an easier way to make a cake vegan by using an egg replacer?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we're mixing the sugar, the
Yeah,
oil, and the egg
yeah.
together.
Oil and sugar together.
Okay.
Pinch of the salt, cinnamon, vanilla essence, lemon juice, lemon zest.
How long do I keep mixing this for?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah. The sultan, the egg.
Start putting in the flour.
Yeah.
Just put it all in.
No. It's good. Oh, George.
Can I eat this? So what are we doing? Spreading it so it's even?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Nanna, how am I supposed to learn if you're doing everything?
Because you're too slow. Here, George. Whoa. All right.
What do we do now?
Wait for the cake cook 1 hour. Go sleep if you want. Georgia, I think the cake is ready
Yeah?
because I smell.
It smells ready?
Yes?
Do you want me to get it out for you?
Yeah. You not burn yourself.
Watch yourself.
Yes.
Oh, it looks good. Clean.
It's clean? Oh, it's okay. It's done.
It's upside down.
Oh, good girl. Now you need to make the topping,
The icing.
the ice.
Do you think you'll be able to tell if this cake is vegan?
No.
No?
It's like the normal cake.
Tastes just as good as a normal cake.
Yep.
That's good. We think we're done?
Yeah. All
Yeah.
done.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's not too big for me. It's a little bit.
No worries, it's not too big, Nanna.
I think you see, you make the cake and you stay here for 3 years. Maybe 4.
Maybe 4. All right, I'll practice and I'll get faster.
All right.
This is the best cake I've ever had.
I can make you cake every time you bring me to my appointment.
So do you need to go to an appointment every day?
Oh God, George.